Hello everyone, this is Syedah and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Today I am going to share the main characters of Oedipus Rex. So let's get started. Our first main character is Oedipus, the protagonist of the play who is the son of King Laius and Queen Jocasta. He is raised as a son of Polybus and Merope, the king and queen of Corinth. He saved the city of Thebes by solving the riddle of the Sphinx and became the king later. He killed King Laius, his biological father, not knowing who he was, and proceeded to marry Jocasta, his biological mother. Our next characters are Laius and Jocasta. They are the king and queen of Thebes. They are also the biological father and mother of Oedipus. Jocasta is the widow of Thebes' former king Laius, and she married Oedipus when he saved the city from the Sphinx. Our next character is Creon. He is the brother of Jocasta and brother-in-law of Oedipus. He is the trusted advisor of Oedipus, who is selected to go to the oracle at Delphi to seek Apollo's advice in saving the city of Thebes from plague. Our next characters are Polybus and Merope. They are the king and queen of Corinth. When Oedipus was a child, he was passed by a shepherd of Corinth to the king Polybus. Then Oedipus grew up as the son of Polybus and Merope. Our next character is Tiresias, the blind prophet who knew about the truth of the parents of Oedipus. King Oedipus quickly loses his temper with Tiresias when the prophet is reluctant to reveal the things he knows. Oedipus was blinded by the pride of his intelligence, so he could not see the truth that he himself has killed his father. But Tiresias, despite of his blindness, he could see the truth and future. Some other characters are a messenger, a man who comes from the palace to announce the death of the queen and the blinding of Oedipus. Antigone and Ismene, they are young daughters of Oedipus who were led out at the end of the play. Chorus, a group of Theban elders and their leader who comment on the events of the drama and react to its tragic progression. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.